Warm welcome you all to channel Meet MIT, that is Math is Tricky. As you know from last our videos, we are sharing tricks and tips explanation about especially for optional mathematics, and then number wise we are explaining some questions and some tricks also I'm sharing. So continuing to that process, today I'm going to share some tricks, information and explanation about question number 1b. So let's see, here it is group A 1b, 2 marks question. It is from polynomial. Mainly here in this type of question number 1b, always the question will be based on remainder theorem, and then factor theorem. Okay, so second one is factor theorem. I'll be explaining it in very easy way. So first let's discuss about what is factor and remainder theorem. So remainder theorem is the theorem which will help you to find the remainder without actual division. Okay, so how we write here the remainder theorem is very simple. Let's see here. Remainder theorem is if it states that if a polynomial fx of degree n greater than 0 is divided by linear binomial, also let's see here, focus with linear binomial x minus a, then the remainder will be r equals f of a. Simply x will be replaced by a. See this one, x will be replaced by a. So this is our remainder theorem. And then let's do here one problem based on remainder theorem. So suppose an example we are taking here. Suppose fx is a polynomial equals 3x square plus 4x plus 5. It is a polynomial is divided by x minus 1, then remainder r equals what? If you have to find, then you don't have to divide this. Simply we will get here, see here, x minus 1, make it here 0, so you will get here 1, that is a equals 1. So by remainder theorem we can simply write here remainder theorem, remainder will be here simply f of 1. So now put here 3 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus 5, and simply will be here 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, it will be here 12 is your remainder. Easily you will get here. Okay, so let's now discuss about, maybe sometimes remainder given you have to find the unknown value, so we can do in this way. Let's suppose here, let's discuss about factor theorem. What is factor theorem? In short, I'll discuss here. Factor theorem is so if, see here, if x minus a is a factor of polynomial fx, then remainder f of a will be 0. Conversely, we can write here, if remainder f a equals 0, x minus a will be a factor of fx. In two way, this is very easy way to remember. X minus a means any constant, will be a factor of polynomial if remainder f of a is 0. If remainder equals 0, x minus a will be factor. Let's do one problem based on this. So very simple. 2 is factor of 6. Why? Because if we divide 6 by 2, the remainder will be 0. Same thing is here. Now let's take here one example. If here x plus 1 is a factor, let's write here 2x plus 1 is a factor of fx equals 3x square plus 2x minus 5. Right here minus a, or simply write here what k. Factor of this, then what is the value of k? Maybe the question like this. So it's very simple. Solution right here. Solution will be here. Let's find the value of first a. So 2x plus 1 equals 0. Make it here. So how much you will get here? X equals minus 1 by 2. By since 2x plus 1 is a factor of fx, f of minus 1 by 2 must be 0, and from this we will get the answer. So this means how much? Let's simplify this. F of minus 1 by 2 means 3 into minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus k equals 0. So how much will get here? 3 by 4 minus 1 minus k equals 0. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so we'll get here simply 3 by 4 minus 1 equals k, and it is how much? 3 minus 4 by 4 equals k. Therefore the value of k is how much here? Minus 1 by 4 is your answer. This is how we can solve the problem based on factor theorem and remainder theorem. This type of questions will be always in question number 1b, that is from group A. Okay, so one question I'm leaving for you. Please you try and write its answer in comment box right here. Now let's write the question for TBY. Try by yourself. The TBY is here for you. TBY. Please focus on this. This is the question for you is here. If 2x minus 3 is a factor of 3x cube plus 4x plus p, then p equals what? If this is a factor of polynomial given here, so find the value of p will be the question. Please write down its answer in comments. I hope you liked, and please encourage me by sharing this type of videos, my videos with your friend, and like, and please do comment also. And if any confusion is there, please write in comment box. Thank you so much. God bless you.